What have you done to ensure that exams are not affected by the unexpected heavy torrential rains across the country?
We anticipated that during this time, we might have floods affecting certain areas. And even this morning, we've been receiving reports of areas where vehicles are not able to pass through bridges because they are flooded. But what we've done, we have choppers on standby, and we have a command center at NEC where when these particular officers come across such a challenge, they would call the command center and a chopper would be dispatched to ensure that the examination papers are delivered. And we've agreed with them that even though there could be a delay of 1 hour or 2, it is better that there is that delay as you wait for the floods to go down, for the rivers to, the amount of water to reduce for them to cross, so that we can then be able to deliver the examinations. The exams that we've done the last 2 days have gone on well. Actually, it's just last night that there was a lot of rain in some areas, and we are attending to it. That's why you are seeing us coming out and ensuring that that progress has been done, as they keep reporting on an immediate basis.